Hi, everybody. Glenn Rudin here from Always Been Creative with some more useful information on branding and messaging. You know, in his famous role in the movie Taxi Driver, Robert De Niro has a scene where he's looking in the mirror and he's constantly saying the phrase, "Are you talking to me? Are you talking to me? Are you talking to me?" And it's a really interesting phrase to keep in mind the next time you're doing your elevator pitch or you're presenting your material to potential investors or people who you want to buy from you. You have to keep them in mind as the audience because they're sitting there and they're asking the question, "Are you talking to me?" Now, I'll give you a quick example. I was recently on a Zoom call and the presenters were presenting information to a crowd of people that really had no interest in the subject matter that they were presenting. It was a complete miss. They were presenting information on mortgages for first-time home buyers, and there wasn't one first-time home buyer on the call. In other words, the material was prepared ahead of time, but it wasn't specifically written for the audience that was going to be attending this particular call or function, and so it was a complete miss. In other words, when the people watching said, "Are you talking to me?" the person who was doing the presentation had no idea, and clearly they were speaking over their heads. So next time you're going to do a presentation, try to do some initial research and find out who is going to be on the other end of that Zoom call, who is going to be in attendance at that seminar that you're doing. Is the information that you're providing going to be useful, or are the people sitting in the crowd going to be asking, "Why are you telling me this? I've got no interest in it whatsoever." So, are you talking to me? Glenn Rudin here, Always Been Creative with tips on messaging and branding. We'll see you next time.